Hello, dear students. Followed by our last lecture based on qualitative adjectives, I have chosen another topic that is quantitative adjectives. Okay, so we will quickly start with the same. Here is my screen, and here we go. So, yesterday we learned about the technique called as OSHA's form or the order of the adjectives, the way you people are going to place the adjectives in line. Okay, so that was an OSHA's form technique. But now we are going to talk about the quantitative adjectives, and a part of it we have already studied in determiners. I will not take much time today because the things have been already attached in my determiners video. Okay, because I drew a very thin line between determiners and adjectives because they are almost similar, because determiners also determines a noun and adjectives also describes a noun. So in terms of quantitative, we have two categories. So let me list those two categories first. The first category is called as quantifiers, wherein you would be talking about a quantity of any noun. And secondly, we will be talking about the number aspect, so numerals. Okay. So these are the two aspects which we will be dealing in quantitative adjectives. Okay. So in quantifiers category, we have the words like many, much, some, any, lot, few, little. These are the words which form the part of quantifiers, and as I have already taught you before, that the quantifiers or any adjective is immediately preceded by the noun. So if you will write, he has bought many dresses from the shop. So here the word many is preceded by the noun dresses. So that's how it becomes a quantitative adjective or a quantifier. Okay, and mind it, many is used to describe the countable noun. Then if you would use like she has much knowledge of statistics. Okay, then here knowledge is an uncountable noun. Okay, and of course singular in nature, which is preceded by the quantity. Okay, that is much. So much is used with uncountables. Okay, after this we can use some and any with both countable and uncountable. So if you will write, we can write, say, some students have problem in this question. Okay, so here some will talk about the countable noun, that is student, but on the other hand, if you would write some water is left in the jar, so here we are talking about the quantity of water is uncountable, so that ways we can also use it as a quantifier. And any is also used with countable and uncountable both. So do you have any, sorry, do you have any sugar in the jar? Okay, so here we are asking question about the presence of sugar. Do you have any sugar? We really do not know about its presence because we some show some positivity, right? But any is a big question mark. We really do not know whether we have sugar or not. So we are asking, do you have any sugar in the jar, or are there any students in the class? So students becomes the countable noun. So both ways we can use. And then few is used for countable parts. So there are, sorry, there are few students waiting at the door. So few is used with only countable And then little, there is little, there is little space in the room. So here we are talking about space, which is an uncountable noun. So that's how we use our quantitative adjective. Further, we can divide few and little into a few and the few, little also into a little and the little. For further revision, you can just connect to my determiner video once again in order to know more about few and little, but almost they are similar in terms of determiners and quantifiers. Now, the quantifiers also have this aspect of numerals. Okay, so numerals can be in the category of A, ordinals, and B, cardinals. Okay, so when we talk about the ordinals, the words like 1, 2, 3, and so on, they come under ordinal category. And when we talk about cardinals, sorry, I am mistaken here. Cardinals are 1, 2, 3. I'm really sorry for that. And ordinals are numbers like first, second, third, and so on. So if we write the sentence like there are two eagles on the branch. Okay, so we are talking about the quantity of eagles in terms of number. So here it becomes two, which is a numeral or quantitative adjective. And then we have got B part. He is the second person to land on the moon. So second or second, this ways we can use this quantitative adjective, second person. Okay, so these are the quantitative adjectives which would of course be coming in your exercise. Okay, so follow the exercise attached in the Edmodo and complete that exercise as soon as possible. For any question, you can just contact me in the class. Thank you so much.